Right, now in this question they are asking her to find the voltmeter which indicates the maximum reading if all the given voltmeters are ideal. Right, ideal voltmeters inter resistance is very high compared with the this resistance that is connected. So if we take the first diagram, we can see the V2 value here. This voltmeter, it is connected to these two points, and these potentials at these 2 points are similar, so potential difference is 0. So obviously V2 equals 0 because the voltmeter shows the reading of potential difference between 2 points, right? Then V1, we have to find the potential difference across these 2 points. So that means the potential holds by is 100 ohms, right? So I'm going to apply resistance ratio method. So 100 is to 400 ratio, resistance ratio, it has to be equal to the voltage ratio. So it's 1 is to 4 ratio. So this will keep 105 amount, this will keep 405 fraction. So what we have to do is we have to multiply this 5 volt by this fraction. So 5 into 105, we are getting 1 volt, and here we are getting 4 volt. So our answer V1, the potential difference is 1 volt. Right, now we have 1 volt. Right, then the next question, the next diagram, here in this diagram we have V3, V4 and V5, right? So let's V5, here you can see this V5, again it's connected to two similar potentials, so V5 has to be 0. Right, now we are left with V3 and V4. Again I'm going to apply the same method, resistance ratio method, but here I have two parallel resistors. So having parallel resistors, we cannot apply ratio method, we have to make them in series. So I'm going to add 500 and 500. So in parallel method we are adding 500 and 500, so it's 1 over 500 plus 1 over 500 equals 1 over, so 500 over 2 equals 1 over, so we are getting R equals 500 by 2, so it's 250 ohms. So here in this circuit, now we have two resistors, 750 ohms and 250 ohms, these two. Once we added these two, so it's 250 ohms, 750 and 250. So I'm going to apply the same method, resistance ratio method. 750 is to 250, the ratio is 1 is to 3, the fraction will be 1 over 4. Right, so we are going to multiply this value 10 by this fraction. So 10 into 4 over 3, that's 7.5 volt, and 10 into 1 over 4, that's 2.5 volt. So now we have the potentials. V3 is 7.5 volt and V4, it has to be 2.5 volt, and the maximum voltage reading is V